This is the way the world ends.
It's a concept.
Yo, I'm in 9Ks, never at a sales pace. They all wanna be just like we like cut and paste. The truth is setting in, and you know I come within to say the world like it's time for the second coming. They need a hero when my patience is zero. That's why my bullets make it burn like Nero. You can say I'm fearless, I aim straight, never miss. You can say I like to bring the pain like a masochist. When I'm coming through, you should yield, cause you can't penetrate through my overshield. I'm on point like a sniper rifle. If you give me the clear shot, I'll put you to sleep like NyQuil. I'm just chilling at the top of the summit, fighting off the enemy and they waiting for me to plummet. And if I make an error, I blame the man in the mirror. I'll make the bodies hit the flow like timber. This is the last stand, gotta prevent the breach. I see the halo above me like it's within my reach. Gun ready, mindset ready, aim steady. Then I unload till my clip empty, till my clip empty, till my clip empty. You can run but you can't hide from my .50 caliber. My trigger pull is never accidental. I do what I do to say the world I earn a medal. I'm ready for the raid, I'm going through the barricade. Just don't let them stick you with a plasma grenade. I'm a soldier of the shade, leader of the raid. I'll make your armor look like you spilled Kool-Aid. You already know if it's on, it's on. I got you with my scope, so get ready to respawn. I'm like a beast and a part of the proud few, so I'ma let you know, but first cue the piano. Yo, I will leave you at a standstill. Then you know I talk trash like a landfill. I don't really give a damn about how you feel. I bring the earth back to life like I'm the chlorophyll. I'm a tough build, I got my hands filled with the double wheels. I kill within my depth of field. My pain, I just shake it. I know I will make it. The life I will take it. They'll see I don't fake it. This is the last stand, gotta prevent the breach. I see the halo above me like it's within my reach. Gun ready, mindset ready, aim steady. Then I unload till my clip empty, till my clip empty, till my clip empty. You can run but you can't hide from my .50 caliber. My trigger pull is never accidental. I do what I do to say the world I earn a medal. It's a concept with another exclusive. Y'all already know. When I pick up that rifle, it's over. I see you over there. Don't be hiding. I got you in my sights. So let's make it happen.